Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach a YouTube link to your assignment. Right here I am on my classroom page and we are going to navigate to classwork. Once we are at classwork, we're going to go here on our left hand side and we are going to create a new assignment. Once you click on create, we have an assignment. This will be Chapter 1. Our instructions for this will be to listen to Chapter 1 and then share your thoughts on what may happen next. Okay, so we are going to then attach our YouTube link. So we'll click here, YouTube. Now you can either search YouTube for something, or if you already have a YouTube link that you've searched for, you can just copy and paste that. So let's go ahead and search. Let's just put Lemonade War Chapter 1. All right, Reader Dad. We'll just choose that one. So we can click that link. Down here it says add video. And right there is your link. Now to complete this assignment, you'll want to go over to the right hand side. Assign any points that you may want to assign. I'm just going to make this worth 10 points. I need it done in just a couple of days. So we want this done on July 6th. As I mentioned, we are going to be starting a new unit on the Lemonade War. And so now all future assignments will be nestled under this. And then I can just assign. Okay. Now you can see it right here on your home page, Lemonade War, Chapter 1. If we click on that, you can see the assignment right there, and it is ready to go. And that is how you attach a YouTube link.